Okay, so what you're looking at today is a very rare, early set of handcuffs from the Marlin rather, Fire Company out of New Haven, Connecticut. And these have 3 links connecting them. These don't have that solid bar that some of the later models do, so I estimate that these are probably from the late 1800s, and it does include key. All right, they work properly. They snap shut. You can put the key in, give it a turn, and open them back up. Key comes back out. Ready to lock somebody up again. Both sets work as they should. There you go. Key will be included. This is a wonderful set of handcuffs. And they are in excellent condition.